Hi everyone, it's me, Autistic Genius. Guess what? I've got a lot of fidget toys, and here they are. Oh my goodness. Just put them. Oh, it feels so nice. Belliamus! Vodacadabra! Expecto Patronum! Do 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 do. I'm Donald Trump, the most just silly man with a wig that controls him. I'm Hillary Clinton. I should be president. In fact, I probably will be. Because he's not nice. Yes, I say nasty things about Mexicans. And I just say he's nasty. And that makes me better. This video was made to show you all lovely people that actually having fidget toys isn't a bad thing. They're actually really good. In fact, they're really helpful to everyone. You shouldn't be ashamed. I don't care how old you are. I'm 27 years old, nearly 28 next month. Woo, birthday soon. And I love my fidget toys. I use them, well, I use them not as often as I should, but I do like them. I like to have them. I show them off to all my friends and family because I think they're amazing. I take them places I probably shouldn't, but I do. And I absolutely love them. And you should not be ashamed to have them because you can hold this and you can do your work. It stops procrastination. It's way. Thanks for watching and see you later. Bye.